Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogs. Today it is September 20th. It's around 6 p.m. and tonight there is a big event here on campus, and I'm gonna go take you guys with me. And as well tomorrow, I'm going on a kayaking trip, so we're going to do that as well tomorrow. But for now, I'm pretty hungry, so let's go eat some dinner and walk our way over to the event. The main event's not really until 9. It's almost 6:30 now, but let's go have some dinner. Alright guys, so just ate dinner. It's like 7:30 now. It's quite dark out. Sad. It's almost fall now. But now we're just heading off to the area where the event will be. The Student Center. Alright guys, so just waiting for the event to start. It's down over that way, downstairs, but up here, got a nice view of New York City. Check it out. New York City at night. Anyway, let's get in line for the event. We are at the event. Line's already forming, it looks like. And we're in. Got my wristband. And basically, what this whole thing is basically called Red Hawk Night, because that's our mascot, the Red Hawks. We're at the Student Center. Basically, we go to different events, we get a stamp, and then eventually we get our own, like, a mini doll of our mascot. We get this stuff ourselves. So, let's do this. I just played laser tag to get one. My team won. I wasn't able to vlog any of it, but it happened. It was fun. Now let's go inside and do an event. Alright guys, so I have been successful in getting all my stamps that I need to get the doll stuff in. But that's not until 11:30, and I think it's like not even 11 now. So I'm just chilling out here by the fire. Fire pits, everyone's here. There's karaoke in there. And out there behind that tent is laser tag. Yeah, nice night. Alright, so Red Hawk Night is officially over, and here is the result. We got a little mini Rocky that will, for the rest of the semester, or I should say for the rest of the school year, sit in my windowsill. Adds a nice little bit of a pizzazz to the room, I guess. But yeah, so that is going to be the end of tonight, because tomorrow morning into the afternoon I'm going kayaking on a school trip from here. So I'm going to get to bed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So yeah, good morning guys. It is the next day. It's around almost 9:30, and we're going to go to the rec center to meet up with our crew, and we're going to go kayaking. Let's get going. We are here on the side of the Delaware River. It's right there. In our kayaks. Alright, we are on the water. The Delaware River. There was New Jersey, there's Pennsylvania. And there's our guide. And you can see the bottom.
go. Oh, yeah. I've been in worse. I'm in the Delaware right now. There's the water. Oh yeah, I remember that. How we did it, so, I don't know what the water looks like. There it is. Theoretically, they're evolving. Yeah, it's kind of murky now, but I really don't appreciate how big it's not bad. Looking at we're just in the water. Alright, so we are all done kayaking. We are here at the end of where we were going. Yeah, there's the Delaware River. One last shot. Bridge, this area. Don't mind the sun, but yeah. Fairly nice place. And, I hope you guys enjoyed this kayaking adventure. I sure did. You know, saw me in the water, and yeah. Now let's begin the literal like hour and a half drive back, basically across the state. As a matter of fact, I mentioned this earlier. This is basically the New Jersey-Pennsylvania border. Right there, right over there is Pennsylvania. So yeah, nice. Let's head back.
Stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
well guys, I'm gonna end this video off right here. I hope you enjoy this vlog. And next week is our homecoming, and also I'm going hiking with some friends. So I will see you guys in a week. And if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.
It's over.